How to recover Wise account. Open the Wise application. Due to privacy and security reason, most of the interface of Wise will not be recorded. But I'll tell you what to do. Tap on the option Login that you'll be able to see on your screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Trouble logging in. Now you can see various options over here. If you have forgotten your password and if you want to recover your account, tap on the option I've forgotten my password. Once you do that, tap on the option Reset Password. Now after that, in another interface, you'll have to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address and tap on the option Reset Password. A code will be sent to your email. Enter that code in another interface. Once you do that, you'll be able to reset your Wise account password. Enter the new password and go ahead. Follow through the prompts, your account will be recovered. Like this, you can recover Wise account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.